Hello, welcome to my channel. We'll be doing question number 18, chapter 11. Okay, this is easy question. So, part A. Uh, okay, an arithmetic progression has second term is minus 14. Remember, in arithmetic progression, the nth term is given by A, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 into D, right? So since it is given a second term, so a2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1, 1. So d, and this is equal to minus 14. This is one piece of information. Second is that a sum of 21 terms is 84. Okay, and remember, sum of n terms in an arithmetic progression is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so sum of 21 terms, it is 21 by 2 and 2a plus n is 20. So 20, it's 21. 21 minus 1 is 20d, and this is given as 84. Okay, so from these two pieces of information, this one and this one, we need to find the first term and the 21st term. Okay, so you can find any term if you know the two things, A and D, first term and the common difference. Okay, so let's try to find the A and D from these two expressions. You see, from this expression, you can see that if I take two common from here and cancel it with this two, so 21 excuse me, times A plus 10D is equal to 84. And if I divide 84 by 21, I will have A plus 10D equals 84 over 21 is 4. Okay, A plus 10D is equal to 4. Okay, so this is one equation, and the other equation is A plus D is equal to minus 14. Remember this equation. Okay, so let's subtract one equation from the other. So this will become negative, negative, and this is positive. So A cancels. 10d minus d is 9d. And 4 plus 14 is 18. So 18 over 9 is 2. So d is 2. Okay. Knowing this d, and I can find the a. Remember, a is equal to minus 14 minus d. So it is going to be minus 14 minus 2 is minus 16. Okay, so now I know D and I know the A. So I can find any term now. Okay, find the first term. Okay, so this is the first term. A1 is basically minus 16. Okay, this is my first term. And next it is we to find the 21st term. Okay, so 21st term is going to be the first term. Okay, I'm talking about this one, first one. Plus n minus 1 is going to be 20. And then D is 2. Okay, so minus 16 plus 20 times 2 is 40. So how much is it going to be? I think it was 24. Just sort of double check. Yes, it is 24. Okay, so this is my second answer, that A21 is 24. So this was part A. Okay, now let's do part B. I would like to change some color. Okay, so I will do part B now. A geometric progression has a second term of 27p squared. Okay, remember, in geometric progression, nth term is a r power n minus 1. So the second term is going to be a, and 2 minus 1, 1, r power 1 is r. So ar, and that is given as 27p squared. Okay, and the fifth term is p5. Okay, so fifth term is a5, that is going to be a, and r power 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, and this is given as p5. Okay, so from these two expressions, I will try to find the value of r. I divide the second equation by the first one. So it is a r power 4 divided by a r equals p power 5 divided by 27 p square. So a cancels and this will become r power 3 equals p square and p5 will become p power 3 over 27. So if I take the cubic root on both sides, r is equal to p over 3. Okay, so this is the first thing we need to find. The common difference, yes. To the first, find r in terms of p. So I did this question. I found r in terms of p. Okay, now second part is this. Hence, find in terms of p the sum to infinity. Okay, remember sum to infinity is first term over 1 minus common ratio. Okay, so our first term is a, and yes, I don't find a yet. Okay, I can do it from here. From here, you see. So a is equal to 27 p square over r. Right, a is 27 p square over r. Okay, so from here you can see 27 p square and divided by r. R is p by 3, so divided by p by 3 or multiplied by 3 by p. It will become 81 p square. I'm sorry, 81 p only. Okay, no. Second, let me make sure that I'm doing the right things. 81 p, yes. First term is 81p. Okay, now I will use this in the above expression. So A is 81p divided by 1 minus r, and r is p by 3. Okay, so let me solve it here. That sum to infinity is equal to 8p divided by 1 minus p by 3. So it is going to be 3 minus p and divided by 3. Okay, so that 3 divided by 3 comes over here. Okay, so it becomes 24. Sorry, I am making some mistake somewhere, I guess. Yes, A is 81p, not 8p. So this is 81. Okay, so 81p into 3. So 81 times 3 is 243p over 3 minus p. Okay, 243p over 3 minus p. Yes, this is my answer to the second question. This one is answer for this 2. Okay, so I found the infinite sum to infinite in terms of p. Okay, the final thing is, given that the sum to infinity is 81, find the value of p. Okay, so 243p over 3 minus p is equal to 81. And from here, I need to find the value of p. So pretty simple. Let me erase something so that I can have some room. Okay, how do I do this one? Um, yes, erase. Oh, come on. Yes. Sorry, I will do it the own way. Entire. Yes. Okay, this is enough. Okay, so I know I'm doing part 3 now. We are given that 243p over 3 minus p is equal to 81. So if I do the cross multiplication, 243p is equal to 81 times 3 minus p. So it is going to be 243 again. Yeah, 243 minus 81p. So it is 243 plus 81. So many p's is equal to 243. So p is equal to 243 divided by, when we add these together, it will be 324. And this simplifies to 3 by 4. So my last answer is, given that find the value of p, that p is 3 by 4. This is the last answer. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Wonderful everything. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.